Hi, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. The topics to be discussed are introduce myself, talk about my trip in Colombian coast, the weather in Colombian coast, recommendation if you go to the Colombian coast. Start. My name is Carlos Giovanni Hurtado. I was born in Yopal, Casanare. I'm live in Bogota. I'm a student systems engineer. I'm single and I like my brothers. I have one sister and I one brother. I like ride bike and go to the movies. Trip for a week to the Colombian coast. And I will tell you my experience that went to Tayrona Park in the Sierra Nevada in Santa Marta, the city that is located on the Colombian coast. There is a great variety of biodiversity. The weather is very sunny. It is very hot. There is not much wind. People are very nice and the ocean is awesome. Now we'll give you some tips to visit the Sierra Nevada. Hmm. First, take your tent there. You can camp at a very economical cost. Second tip, use repellent because there are many bees that can sting and cause serious skinheads. Third tip is better than carrying and boiling bottled water because it's not drinkable and it can make you sick. You should rent a car and go around Cartagena. You should check the car before leaving on a trip. You should visit the Naval Museum. It has pieces from time of colonization. It is open to the public from Monday and Saturday. Thank you.